Hello there, this is Mr. Lindsay with a real short video. I know we've been talking about drawing buildings and drawing three-dimensional objects. I thought I'd just do a real short one on just drawing a cube. So in one of our videos we have something like this where we're drawing buildings, and these buildings are pretty much three-dimensional objects now, and they look kind of like a cube. So let me show you how to do that even without a building, just drawing that. So basically all you do is start off with a square. Okay, I can use a ruler for this, or I could just freehand it. Either way, I just draw myself a square or even a rectangle. Don't worry about it being perfect. So there is my square. Then I would draw some lines, making it 3D. Now, I'm going to draw it the same way I showed you those buildings in the other lesson, so they all make sense. But I'm going to draw a line going this way from this corner, and the same direction from this corner, and the same direction from that corner. And I try my best to make them all about the same length, so they're close. See how they're all similar in length? Then I can draw a line from here to here and connect. If this one's too short, then it might not work, but they're pretty close. So now I can draw a line to connect there. And if this one's close to the same length, I can draw a line straight down to there. So there's a cube. Now I can draw cubes in different directions too. So let me draw another square. Instead of my 3 lines going this way, I could have 3 lines going this way. It's a different angle. I'm looking at it from a different direction. So it's a cube, like I'm looking at it from this side. Okay. For ours, you can see the difference. For this building here, we're looking at our building the same way we're looking at that cube. Okay, there's other ways you can draw them too. Just for fun, you could even try drawing cubes from different directions. What if I did the 3 lines like I did going here to the top left, or this is going to the upper right? What if I went to the bottom right and I aimed them this way? 1, 2, 3. And then I connected them. Is it still a cube? Yes, it's just a different direction. I'm looking at it from over here, and the cube's going that direction. Okay, so depending on which way you draw those 3 lines, it changes the viewpoint, the way we're looking at that cube. So I could draw my lines going to the bottom left. 1, 2, 3, and then connect. So there's 4 cubes, all drawn a little differently from different directions. But I don't want to be too confusing, because for our project we actually drew them like that. But if you want to play around with them on a piece of paper, it's kind of fun. It looks like they're floating and moving around. You could do a whole page with a bunch of cubes floating around in different directions. It's kind of fun to play around with a quick sketch, but there you go, just a little information on drawing a 3-dimensional cube.